Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very well. As you know, we were done with questions 1 till question 18 in our previous videos, and you must be aware that I am solving questions from New Syllabus Mathematics Workbook 1, and we are doing chapter 1 right now. So in today's video, we have to solve question 19. Huixian wishes to cut some squares from a rectangular sheet of A4 paper with a length of 126 centimeter and a breadth of 84 centimeter, right? She wants to cut the A4 paper evenly into small squares and does not want any leftover paper. What is the length of each square? How many squares can she cut all together, right? So let's highlight the main points here. Okay, Huixian wishes to cut some squares, right? She wants to cut some squares from a rectangular sheet, right? And which has length. What is the length? 126 centimeter, and the breadth is 84 centimeter. And what she wants to equally cut the A4 paper into small squares, and she doesn't want any leftover paper, right? So now the hints are given already to you. You have to use them. See, he has talked about dividing or cutting the A4 paper into evenly into small squares, or he does not want any leftover paper. This is giving you a hint that there must be the HCF. You have to find the highest common factor of these two numbers, and in that way you will get the length of each square he is going to evenly cut, right? So the hint is here he doesn't want any leftover paper. By any leftover paper in mathematics you mean no remainder, right? He means no remainder. There should not be any remainder. So what is the case? That means we have to find the HCF, because when we find the HCF of numbers, at the end we get 0 as the remainder, right? So let's find the HCF of 126 and 84 and 84, right? We have to find the HCF of 84 and 126 is equal to question mark. So now it's up to you. You want to do it through prime factorization or you want it to do through division method. I am doing it through division method, right? You can choose the one that best suits you, right? So 84 multiplied by 1 is 84, because 84 multiplied by 2 will give me a number that is greater than 126. So I am using 84 multiplied by 1 is 84. Now subtracting these two will give me 42, right? And then I will write 84 here, and then 42 multiplied by 2 is 84, right? So that means the HCF is 42, right? This is the HCF, and basically this is my answer for the first part, that is the length of each square is 42. He is gonna cut from the A4 paper, right? And the unit will be, of course, 42 centimeter, right? So now let's do the second part. How many squares can she cut all together? I will do it right here. Now he is asking you that how many squares can he cut all together. So for that we will need the area of the rectangular sheet of the A4 paper from which he is cutting the squares, plus we will also need the area of the square. That means we need two things here, that is area of rectangle or rectangular sheet, and we also need area of square, right? And we know that the area of a rectangle, area of a rectangle or rectangular sheet is equal to, we can already see we have been given the length and the breadth, and the area for rectangular sheet is L multiplied by B. So that means we simply have to multiply 126 with 84, 126 centimeter with 84 centimeter, and when you will multiply them you will get 10584 centimeter square, right? And in case of the area of square, you are given the length, right? That is 42, and the area of square is basically L square, that means 42 square, right? 42 square. And when you will multiply 42 with 42, what you will get when you multiply 42 with 42, you get 1764, and you have centimeter square as well, centimeter square. Now see, the area of a square is 1764 centimeter square, and the area of rectangle is 10584 centimeter square. What are you asked to find? How many squares can sheet cut all together? So how will you find it? You will find it like this. You will divide the area of rectangle, because that is what we are cutting the squares from, area of the rectangular sheet, right? You will divide this by area of square, right? And what will you get? You'll get 10584 divided by 1764, and when you will divide these two, you will get 6. That means the total number of squares she can cut altogether is 6. I hope so you understood the solution. Thank you for watching and keep learning.